I'm Jess. If you are new here, welcome. I'm a freelance illustrator, and finally I can show you the final result of the sticker sheets I was working on last week. Yay! Oh. And finally the cutting machine didn't cut through the bake paper, so everything looks very perfect. Very perfect. They are already available in my Etsy shop. And then I've also received the glassing bags. I bought two formats. So this is an A6 and this is a bit smaller that I will use for smaller stickers. So we can see how the sticker sheets look like inside the glassing bags. Here they are. Yeah, I like how they look like. Yeah, the plastic bag looks a bit plasticky, but this is actually completely recyclable and biodegradable. So yeah, it's good. Anyway, I got 2 orders in my Etsy shop, so I'm gonna show you how I pack my orders. Okay, I bought many little things for the photos that I have to shoot for the products that I'm gonna produce. First of all, I bought this rainbow sugar paper pad with multiple colors, and I'm gonna use all these cards as a background for the photos of the products. And then I went to Flying Tiger and I bought many things. So that being pencil case, this frame, a clipboard, a small bullet planner that I'm gonna use, and this set of colored pencils because they're really pretty. I really like the look of natural wood. In fact, I bought several things of the same material. Then this yellow notepad, then some pegs, many pegs. Then of course some paper clips, googly eyes, why not? And then I bought this kind of puzzle. I really liked the wooden rainbow shapes. Then I realized that each piece is made of just one color, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. It's cute though. And then I have this tiny mini box with mini things. Okay, this is my Etsy store, and here you see the last two products. Okay, these are the pictures that I took, but actually I'm not that happy with the final result. The photos I shot were very dark, so these pictures were heavily modified, and I believe that you can tell. Also, I'm planning to open a new store on my website. So yeah, that will be precisely the website that you find here. Just was here, that doesn't exist yet. For that store, I believe that I would prefer a more minimalistic style. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep the notebook, the bullet journal in the background, the pencils. I don't know. And so I don't know if all the objects that I bought from Tiger are actually completely useless. We'll see. However, I'm quite happy with the pictures that I took to the frame. So it's an illustration inspired by Peter Rabbit that I'd like to sell in my store. And this is another version. You can see myself reflected on the glass of the frame. guys, I hope you enjoyed my painting of those chubby cats. I really enjoy drawing chubby cats, I don't know why. Apologies for the washing machine in the background. Yeah, I'm gonna end the studio vlog here. Thank you so much for watching, if you made it so far. And something very important, this morning I woke up with 2 orders. Somebody has bought the Halloween sticker sheets. Yay! I'm so happy. Yeah, thank you very much, whoever you are. Well, I have the name here, but of course I'm not gonna share it. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this vlog. See you next time. Bye!